Yo, what's going on guys? Nasher here, back with another video, and today we're gonna be switching it up a little bit and doing a more chill style video for you guys. Honestly, one of my favorite kind of hockey videos to watch are just straight up stick handling videos. There's something almost therapeutic about listening to that puck clack around, seeing people do nice moves, stuff like that. So I figured today we'd make one of those style videos. This is what I like to call stick handling therapy. So all you guys have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. We've got this full hockey training setup here, all sorts of different stick handling devices. I'm gonna set up a couple GoPros, we're gonna have the drone in the air, and we're just gonna stick handle around here and take some shots. So I hope you guys enjoy this. If you wanna see more videos like this, be sure to toss the video a like, and let's go ahead and hop right into this thing. Woo! That'll do it. Ooh, pretty good workout there to end the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of hockey therapy or stick handling therapy or whatever we're gonna call this. I know it was more of sort of a chill video. I enjoyed just coming out here, hanging out, messing around, and I hope you guys did too. If you did, be sure to toss the video a like. Also, leave me a comment down below if you want to see some more of these. Subscribe if you haven't. And now we have a word from our sponsors. Before we end this video, I want to give a big thank you to the guys over at SeatGeek for sponsoring this video. If you don't know what SeatGeek does, they compile tickets from all over the web to give you a nice simple list from 0 to 100. 0 being terrible deals, 100 being great deals. They also allow you to view every single seat in the arena before you purchase it so you can see exactly what your seats will look like. If you guys are interested in using SeatGeek, be sure to visit the link in the description below. Also, if you go to the Me tab and use code Nasher at checkout, that will get you $20 off your first order. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you next time. Peace!